Hi, guys. This is Stone with Actionable Insights. Welcome to this week's Monday Minute. Today, I'm going to highlight an important update you may not know about. As you've seen in previous videos about syncing and updating an Xactimate and in our Xactimate Ninjas posts, we constantly suggest you keep Xactimate updated. This helps you keep up to date with the latest guidance in the actionable Xactimate profile and gives you the latest functionality of Xactimate itself. In previous versions of Xactimate Desktop, there was a big limitation in copy and paste between estimates. Any graphically estimated, aka purple line items, didn't copy over. If you relied on copy and paste to transfer estimated information, you could inadvertently lose important items without even realizing it. This isn't a problem anymore. Watch this example. I've got two estimates open side by side. On the left, we have a small drywall and paint flooring estimate that I put together using the actionable profile, cleanly organized with our bolded headers macro that is included with the profile. On the right, I've got a blank estimate with one room. First, I'm going to highlight the line items in our room, hitting Control A to highlight all of the line items and Control C to copy. Check this out. We now have a dialog box that highlights purple line items cannot be pasted. Xactimate now warns you that these will not copy from room to room. No more mystery missing line items. Now I'll show you the next part of our update. I'm going to highlight the entire room within Sketch and hit Control C to copy the room itself. Then I'm going to go to my other estimate and hit Control V to copy it. Look at that. All of our line items, our headers, and our purple line items copied over when I copied the whole room. This is a huge update, guys. We won't accidentally leave line items out anymore when copy and pasting between sheets. Thank you for checking in on this week's Monday Minute. Keep learning and growing, guys.